quick, man. I'm activating the cheat code.
Terry, I appreciate the cheat code.
Let me tell you about this cheat code.
And it is called cheat code.
Today with a 5-star rating. Cheat code is a seasoning everyone needs in their pantry.
A local barbecue master is on it. Terry Matthews, the barbecue daddy, joins us now with
These chicken thighs are really flavorful. It's a beautiful wing.
Thank you. Beautiful wing, Terry. Thank you, Terry.
Put it on anything. I put it on grilled chicken, pork chops, and roast beef. I wish I could show you a sample of it all, but we ate it all.
My go-to. This is my go-to. Keep it up, man. I'm talking about you can make anything taste good. You can even put this on some socks, some shoes, make them socks and shoes edible, man. I'm telling you, man. Put in some noodles, cheat code, barbecue daddy, anything you want.
This chicken is so good, it makes you want to put your fork down and pick it up and eat it. Make you want to slap your cousin. Who's your daddy? Barbecue daddy.
And it's the ribs with the cheat code seasoning. And I tried a piece of this meat. Bro, you did something. You did something. You did something here. Y'all, get that cheat code, y'all.